In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use QuickBooks Online Payroll. For those of you who may be new to QuickBooks Online or are transitioning to managing payroll digitally, this guide will help you navigate through the process with ease. First, you'll want to head over to QuickBooks Online and log into your account. Ensure your credentials are handy as you'll need them to access the platform. Once logged in, you'll land on your dashboard. It's your main hub for accessing different features of QuickBooks, so take a moment to familiarize yourself with its layout. Next, take a look at the left-hand menu and click on the Payroll option. This is where the magic happens. QuickBooks Online. Payroll is a comprehensive tool that simplifies the entire payment processes for your employees. By clicking here, you'll unlock all the payroll features at your disposal. When you click on Payroll, you'll notice several options such as Overview, Contractors, Payroll Tax, Workers' Compensation, Benefits, HR Advisor, and Compliance. These sections are designed to give you streamlined access to the various payroll-related activities. The Overview provides a snapshot of your payroll status. It includes important details and reminders, ensuring you stay on top of your responsibilities. Now let's focus on managing your workforce by clicking on Employees. This section is central to employee management and allows you to view and organize your workforce systematically. Once you're in the Employees section, you have the ability to search for specific employees, saving you time if you're managing a large team. Simply use the search bar to type the name of the employee you're looking for, or scroll through the list to find them. Additionally, there are options to filter your search by active employees, or all employees, giving you a clearer view based on your needs. When you locate the employee, you'll see important details such as their name, pay rate, pay method, and employment status. This information is crucial for accurate and efficient payroll management. If you have new staff joining your team, you can easily add a new employee to the payroll system. QuickBooks makes the process straightforward, guiding you through entering necessary details to ensure they're accounted for in the upcoming payroll cycle. This ensures everyone gets paid accurately and on time. Once you've gone through these steps, you should feel more comfortable navigating QuickBooks Online Payroll and using its features to manage your team's payroll efficiently. By leveraging these tools, you can spend less time worrying about payroll and more time focusing on what truly matters, growing your business. As always, if you have any questions or encounter any issues, QuickBooks offers excellent support resources. Thanks for watching, and happy payroll managing.